Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. President Draupadi Murmu unveiled series of projects worth 1,330 crore rupees in Gujarat. Indigenously developed light combat helicopter Prachanda inducted in Indian Air Force at Jodhpur in Rajasthan. Foundation of Medical College at USTM laid by Chief Minister in the presence of Rhonda Vetere. And Mahashtami is being celebrated today. And now for the news in detail. President Draupadi Murmu inaugurated and laid the foundation stone for various projects worth 1,330 crore rupees at the Gujarat Medical and Education Research Society campus in Gandhinagar, Gujarat today. President is on a two-day visit to Gujarat, and this is her maiden visit to Gujarat as a president. Early in the morning, she offered prayers and floral tributes to Mahatma Gandhi at Sabarmati Ashram. Governor A. Devrat and Chief Minister Bhupendra Patel were also present on the occasion. In the visitor's diary, she wrote that the visit to the Holy Land of Mahatma Gandhi gave her indefinable faith and inspiration. The president also tried her hand at charkha at the Gandhi Ashram.
आज मैंने 2 लिफ्ट इरिगेशन प्रोजेक्ट्स का उद्घाटन किया है। ऐसी परियोजनाओं के कार्यान्वयन होने से गुजरात के किसान भाई बहन और भी अधिक लाभान्वित होंगे। देशवासियों के सामाजिक आर्थिक विकास के लिए जल सुरक्षा सुनिश्चित करना बेहद जरूरी है।
Defence Minister Rajnath Singh formally inducted the indigenously developed light combat helicopters LCH in the Indian Air Force at a ceremony held at Air Force Station Jodhpur in Rajasthan. LCH would be inducted into the 143 helicopter unit. LCH has been named as Prachanda. Addressing the ceremony, Singh said induction of LCH not only adds to the combat capability of the Air Force but is also a great leap towards the goal of Atmanirbhar Bharat. He added that the need for a combat helicopter was seriously felt during the Kargil War, and LCH is a culmination of 2 decades of effort to address this need. The induction of LCH in the Indian Air Force is expected to provide further momentum to Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan.
प्रचंड शक्ति, प्रचंड वेग और प्रचंड प्रहार की क्षमता वाले इस LCH का इंडक्शन हमारी एयरफोर्स की कैपेबिलिटीज में बढ़ोतरी के साथ साथ रक्षा उत्पादन क्षेत्र में आत्मनिर्भरता की ओर भी यह एक बड़ा कदम है।
The P.A. Sangma International Medical College and Hospital, a mega dream project of ERD Foundation Guwahati and its founder chairman Mahbubul Haque, has seen the beginning of implementation with the grand foundation laying ceremony held today at the proposed medical college ground at the University of Science and Technology, Meghalaya. The foundation was laid by Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma in the presence of Rhonda Vetere, global leader from USA, in the presence of former Meghalaya Governor R.S. Moshari, Home and Education Minister Lakshman Rimboy, and other distinguished guests. Talking to media persons, Vetere stated that she is very happy to be the global ambassador of USTM. She will contribute towards developing an overall integrated communication strategy through internationalization to promote and enhance visibility of university and its mission globally. Chief Minister in his address said that he is happy that the university is helping the people to get jobs and transform their lives through education, whereas the Chancellor M. Hague said that one of the main features of the medical college and hospital is a 200-bedded super specialty hospital with all kinds of technological facilities with cutting-edge research.
This university and this college has transformed the lives of thousands and thousands of people. We don't realize it. You come here as a normal person and you study here and you go back, but you don't realize the difference it is making in people's lives. The number of students that have passed out of here and are now doing great jobs in different places.
I come across a lot of peers that want to invest, and also we're all about education. I'm also about mental health and awareness. I just rode a bike across America.
The Trinamool Congress TMC candidate from North Shillong Aljiva Gwenet Rinja has said that the posh houses in the constituency are just a facade to the poverty that lies beneath. According to Rinja, there are many unemployed youths in North Shillong constituency. She said many of the youth have met us. They are being deprived of jobs and they become daily wages after dropping out of school. She encourages the youth who have left their studies midway to go for open schooling like the National Institute of Open Schooling NIOS if they cannot afford to study in private institutes. She also said that without an education, getting employed would be difficult.
Kam kerja dengan kegiatan employment kebalikong na marbon kipon sama kinawan man kando yang ni ko office na ko sa kapor yung deprive ka kisulit balas ki pep school no she thinks ni what if pa ka no chlo ki ibigibon ki yang bangla ki bahe ki spa henry la dangingam jeliu ki ibon ki baduna abang na ibon ki baduna nga ju encourage ki kina samla ki jong yele ban le no de NIOS la dan nimla bakimla ban afford ban le private institution
Mahashtami is being celebrated today. This year it falls on a very auspicious tithi full of Shiv Maharats. Known as the holy time to do Kanya Puja, special Maharats forming an Ashtami and Mahanavami tithi in sight. It is also known as Ashtami or Durga Ashtami, is one of the most important days of Navratri and Durga Puja. It is celebrated as the 8th day of Navratri and the 3rd day of Durga Puja across the country. The festival is marked with much pomp and devotees of Ma Durga followed all traditions and rituals including Kanya Puja, Sandhi Puja, Mahasnan. The 8th avatar of Ma Durga, goddess Mahagauri, is worshipped during the Ashtami. Hundreds of Congress, HSPDP as well as supporters of the PDF joined the NPP during a function held at St. Mary's Playground in Mawed recently. The new members were welcomed into the party by the NPP National President and Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma in the presence of Nongstoin MLA, Maushundrut MLA, Rambrai Jirngam MDC and others senior leaders of the party. During the function, Sangma said that the people are losing faith in their political parties as many sitting MLAs are leaving their original parties. Hence, it speaks volumes of the faith and the trust that people have in the NPP. And now for the weather report. Maximum temperature 24 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 17.5 degrees Celsius, relative humidity in the morning 85% and in the evening 81%, rainfall 0.3 millimeters, forecast light to moderate rain is very likely to occur at a few places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune into our daily bulletin. And now for the headlines once again. President Draupadi Murmu unveiled series of projects worth 1,330 crore rupees in Gujarat. Indigenously developed light combat helicopter Prachanda inducted into Indian Air Force at Jodhpur in Rajasthan. Foundation of Medical College at USTM laid by Chief Minister in presence of Rhonda Vetere. And Mahashtami is being celebrated today. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.